Today's lesson is about naming 2D shapes and 3D objects. Alright, so I assume you will know most of these. These are the names of the 2D shapes. Ones to be wary of are pentagon. So a pentagon has 5 sides. Crescent is like a crescent moon shape. Hexagon has 6 sides. And a semicircle is half a circle. Okay, and then these are our 3D shapes. We've got a cube, cylinder, sphere, rectangular prism, hemisphere, which is half a sphere, cone, pyramid, and hexagonal prism. In real life, you need to be able to name the shape of objects. So let's practice with these ones here. The first one's name gives it away, Rubik's Cube. The next, your parents might cut your lunch into triangles. The next, the gift box, that's the shape of a hexagonal prism. The mixing bowl, it's half a sphere, which we call a hemisphere. Then that fan's folded out into a semicircle. And a soccer ball, which you guys probably love, is a sphere. Then the shape of those tables, which we've got lots of those at school, the top of it is a trapezium, and then the dartboard there is a circle. When describing shapes, there are various properties we can talk about. This is a side, so this square has 4 sides. On this 3D shape, this flat surface here is a face. This is an edge, and this here is a corner, sometimes called vertices. Let's have a go describing these shapes. Alright, so we've got a triangle and it's 3-sided, it's got 3 sides. Then if we look at this cube here, if we're talking about faces, now I know that we've already done the net of a cube. So remember, when it's folded out, it actually has 6 faces. Whoop. So it's got this front one, it's got this back one, it's got the bottom one, top one, and the 2 sides. Alright, then if we're talking about the edges, so these are the edges. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then corners, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 corners. Today's tasks are pretty straightforward. The first thing to do is name these 2D and 3D shapes, so you just cut and paste them into the table. And then there's some real life examples, and you just need to name the shape of the 3D object. And then lastly, there's a task where you just list the properties of these shapes, like the example that I just did.